financially frustrated? This is the question I'm often asking people. My question is, most people's gripe in life is due to their lack of financial stability. See, you're in the place you're in today because of your lack of financial stability. See, here's the beauty about the REI 90 program. Here's the beauty about understanding finances. Here's the beauty about my 4-step methodology. I want you guys to write this down. There's 4 steps to creating financial stability. There are only 4. You master these 4 steps, your life will never be the same. Step number 1, mindset. You have to change your mindset about money. You have to change your mindset about poverty. You have to first come to the grips of getting out of denial. Just because you have a good job doesn't mean you're going to have a life of abundance, because you could lose your job today. Do you have the mindset to push through when things get difficult? Do you have the mindset to deal with the ups and downs? Do you have the mindset to being able to pivot? Your mindset is the ultimate determination of your level of success. Your mindset is going to get you through those rough patches. Are you going to give up just because you have bad credit today? You said you wanted to be on this path of prosperity, but your credit is not in position. Well, let's fix it. You say you don't have the money. Let's get the money. So you got to understand, you got to get your credit right. Step number 2, understanding credit. You got to understand the power of credit. We teach you that. See, credit is bigger than just getting a credit card. Credit is bigger than just being able to buy a car. Credit is bigger than just you being able to go and buy your house. You have to understand the power of credit. You have to understand leveraging credit. You have to understand that credit is really just a tool. You have to understand that credit is currency. When you think about the word currency, root word current, it flows. I know so many people with good credit, but they're poor. Why? Let's use the credit. I was telling someone, every dollar I have is an employee. My employees don't get sick. Here's my employees. They don't call in sick. I don't have to pay unemployment. I don't have to worry about them getting injured on a job. I don't have to worry about them taking off for holidays. Here are my employees right here. And when you understand the power of credit, it allows you to do that. Step number 3. You have to understand money. And when I say understand money, meaning we have to understand the cost of money. We have to understand that there's a cost to money. Money is not free. Once you understand that, you play the game differently. I understand that for every dollar I invest, my goal and focus is to at least double that. But in order for me to double that, I first have to understand how money works. I have to understand financing. I have to understand that, yes, there is a cost, i.e. interest rates on every dollar I borrow. But the better I put myself in position from a credit standpoint, the money is going to be cheaper. Right now, we're looking at interest rates for a commercial real estate loan is about 9%. And people will complain about that 9% on an asset that is going to pay them forever. But then they'll go and get an auto loan and pay 12% plus on a vehicle. Help me make that make sense. Say that 3 times fast. We'll pay 12% on an automobile, but won't pay 9% for a property. So number 3 is understanding the cost of money. And number 4 is understanding how to build assets. We have to understand how to build assets. Asset is something that you can buy once and it'll pay you forever. You learn and master those 4 things, your life will not be the same. You will create financial stability, period.